The standard maximum labour rate included in a Warrantywise plan is £50 per hour, including VAT. But you can select a higher rate at the point of sale. Your selected labour rate will be noted on your warranty schedule. The maximum repair cost per repair request again is selected by you at the point of sale. The selected amount will be noted on your plan schedule under the single repair limit. Diagnostics are initially your responsibility, but Warrantywise will reimburse a reasonable diagnostic fee if your repair request is authorised. If your vehicle is undergoing authorised repairs or has broken down, you may be provided with a replacement hire car if your repair meets the plan's criteria. Please refer to your plan book for full details. Emergency breakdown assistance is included as standard in all warranty plans. If your repair request is declined, you should first contact us directly to discuss the decision and follow our complaints procedure. This can be initiated by phone, in writing, or through our online form, linked below. If after submitting a complaint to Warrantywise the issue is still not resolved, you can ask for your case to be passed to our impartial arbiter, Ed China, who will make the final decision. For more information on Warrantywise's repair process, get in touch with our team on 01254 355 100 or visit warrantywise.co.uk.